What's up everybody? Okay, so in today's video we are going to be installing LEDs in the 240, and I don't mean like underglow. I mean I'm replacing the OEM lights, like I guess they're halogen bulbs, I think that's what they're called. Replacing those with LEDs. First I'm doing that is going up to 240 and taking out all the old bulbs because I need to know the number on all of them, because I'm not gonna run like a crazy, like I'm not gonna do like a resistor or whatever. So I will have hyper flash on my signals. That's okay. I am going to go get all the numbers from the bulb so that I can go to Canadian Tire and get those new LED bulbs. I have a pretty sweet thing coming in the mail right now. It's for my front signals. You guys will see that soon. Woo. Okay, so before I take these old bulbs out, I'm gonna do a before and after. So let's get the battery connected and I'll show you guys the before. Okay, so this is the before. As you can see, it's like that. I obviously can't show the well breaking. Turns out I actually have a burnt out light bulb right here. But yeah, that's just the running light, and that's how the signal light looks. So yeah, definitely gonna be a bit of a change. Okay, so I have everything that I need. I didn't take the reverse lights out, but these are pretty simple to remove. You literally just push them in and twist, like push and twist, and they come out pretty easily. The signal lights are orange, so if I can find orange LEDs, then I'll buy them. If not, my signal lights will be bright white, whatever. I'm not really worried about it too much. I'm just gonna check the numbers here. You can see that right there. And what I'm gonna do is match the numbers to LED ones. I'm gonna do that online. Just look up which one matches with which, and yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. All right. So there's 4 1157 bulbs, and then the signal lights are a little bit different. I couldn't find a number on them, so I'm just gonna bring them in and be like, hey, like, what's the LED replacement for this? So yeah, I'm gonna go there now. All right, so we're here at Canadian Tire. Show them where we're at. We're ready to get some light bulbs, some LEDs. Had to make a quick stop to get a bagel and some juice. Eat this real quick and then we're gonna head in. Let's see. Did they butter it enough? I'm not gonna lie. Doesn't look like there's much butter on it. I like saved it.
Oh, you dropped it.
I like a lot of butter on my bagels. Butter my bagel. That's pretty good. Alright, we'll see you when we get in there. Okay, so we're here, Canadian Tire, but I have a feeling they don't have what I need. Just looking around here, they have the 1156, but they need the 1157. So, we'll see. I'm gonna look around a little bit more, and then,
Did you check online?
Not this one.
No.
Alright, we're gonna go to Dartmouth Crossing, different location. For some reason I didn't check if they had it here. I don't know why, but they don't have it here. So, there's 2 left in Dartmouth Crossing. Let's hopefully go there before anybody else picks them up. So, that's where we're gonna head right now. Ready? Where to? I got the grip now. Oh yeah. Woo!
Like you lost another one.
This would be a really cool bottle for my coolant overflow.
Let's go to the food area.
Oh, if this is like less than $20, I'm gonna buy it.
And then you need to make a video of eating it.
Hell no. What is this? Scorching Chipotle hot sauce from the gates of hell. The reason I wanted to find this one is because the one that I had here, super dirty,
Kinda crusty.
So we're gonna get this, and then we're gonna go back to Cole Harbor. Not excited about having to go back, but we're gonna go back and find the rest of the lights, I guess. Guys said there's 10 there, so if there's none in Cole Harbor, then we're going to go to Bedford. If there's none in Bedford, then we're gonna go to Tantalon.
Maybe sure.
Not true. Not. Yeah, I just need 2 packs. Outfit his old Canadian Tire uniform and wear that and okay, so. Oh,
Whoa.
valve.
I was looking at the bullet ones
The
there.
bullet ones too. Anyways, so got the LEDs finally after many tries of trying to find them. This package is absolutely like chewed on. Somebody munched on this package, but whatever. I got what I need. I think I got signal lights too, but they're gonna be white, so I might not use them. I don't know. I was really only looking for these ones here, but these do look like exactly what I need. They'll fit, so might use them, might not. We'll see what they look like first. But I just noticed these bad boys right here. I'll tell you what, if my wheels eventually come, I might put those on there, but for now,
They're chrome, right?
yeah. Man,
They're
I
hot
don't-
boy spec.
I don't think my wheels are gonna come, to be honest. I think I'm gonna have to get my money back, unfortunately. There we go. Okay, so here we are yet again. The back of my car.
Deja vu.
Yeah, it's cold out. Colder this time than last time. So I already filmed it before.
Those sound amazing.
Yeah. Where is it? This is the one, just in case I need to return it. There's video evidence. This thing's already like mangled up. In case I need to return it. So, right here. On this one there's a reflector. On this one there's not. But I have just aluminum tape here. I don't know if I have the whole roll. I have this little scrap from one of the many things that I've done to this car. So, I'm just going to cut it in half and I'm just going to use it because whatever. Does this have a reflector in it? No, it doesn't have a reflector in it, but that is better position. So, what I'm going to do, take this little tiny piece of aluminum tape, hopefully you guys know what I mean by that, and I'm just going to put it in here. I'm not really going to be picky about it, it's just a little added something, just, you know, might as well. Here's what they look like. So, obviously doesn't look like a regular bulb, looks like a trident or something. But, should be all good. there it is in there. So the signal light was a 1156 is what I found. Also compatible with a 7506 and 1141. Cool. There we go. Signals in there too. These look kind of large. I'm slightly worried about them fitting. Let's test real quick. Okay, it looks like it's fitting in there. I think they fit. I might put like some dielectric grease or something in here. We'll see. Clean that out a little bit.
Yeah.
Hyper flash sucks, but it is what it is. That's pretty bright.
Yeah.
It looks pink. Now turn the signal on. Oh my god.
That's
That's so bright.
Alright guys, so that's it. Quick and easy install with so much running around beforehand to get the lights, but it came out pretty well. What do you think? Pretty sick?
I think it came out good.
My signal lights are not amber, which is meh, but whatever, and hyper flash. But it is what it is. I'm pretty happy with it. At least now I know that my they'll be cool. It won't be hot or anything. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment down below what you want to see next. I got lots of stuff to do this car over the winter, but I just don't know what kind of order to do it in. I got a new hood coming. I'm gonna go up to PEI to get that over Christmas time-ish. Alex is coming home, so probably vlog on my phone for that. But anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. Follow my Instagram at Luke_Swain_. Follow my TikTok at BigHomieLuke. And follow Mason at Elaine Media. Is it Elaine.media? Or
Elaine_media.
Elaine_media.
It's kind of all of it.
Yeah, that's pretty much everything. Follow him too. Thanks to Mason for filming today. I had a lot of people say that they actually liked the way that it was, so that's good. We're gonna try and keep doing as much as we can, as long as Mason doesn't mind hanging out with me for a day, once a week, pretty much. But I mean, that came out pretty good, I think.
Yeah.
Anyways, that's it for today's video. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace.